All right, so we are moving on to multi-step inequalities, which, if you remember, just means that it's lots of things happening and you have to kind of remember which order it goes in first. So we either distribute or combine like terms first if we can do either. So in E's case, it's A on our paper. In E's case, we can combine our like terms, which remember are things with the same variable. So what's 13 minus 10? Well, 13 minus 10 is 3x. We didn't do anything to the minus 7, so it comes down. There's our river. Inequality comes down. 2 comes down because we didn't do anything to this. And now it's just like lesson 4, where you do the opposite of subtraction. Add 7. You get 3x. 2 plus 7. Oh, I just gave the answer. Is 9. And then we divide by 3. And you get x is greater than 3. So open circle, go in that direction. All right, I'm going to move down to C. I'm going to do the left side and ask you to do the right side. Okay, so looking at C, oh my God, looking at C, this is C. We kind of done something similar to this last topic where you had to distribute. So let's start there. So distribute the 4 to everything. So you get 4a plus 4 times 5 is 20 is greater than or equal to 16. Now we solve the opposite of adding 20 is to subtract 20. Draw your ruler if you need to. Subtract 20. We get 4a is greater than negative 4. Divide on both sides. A is greater than or equal to negative 1. Then we put a closed circle going this way. Okay, so make sure if I'm going too fast that you pause and kind of think about it as you're working through things. This last one, E, that we're gonna do together, E is kind of a mix of both. So you have to distribute first, then combine like terms, then add or subtract, and we'll have to flip it because the variable's on both sides. So lots of things going on. So let's start by distributing first. So I'm just going to rewrite this other half first. 4 times 3 is 12k. 4 times negative 8 is negative 32. And then we didn't do anything to this, so minus 11k. And now we just combine our like terms, which are our k's. So 12 minus 11 is 1k minus 32. Still haven't done anything over here, so it just comes along. Now we do the opposite of subtracting 32, which is to add 32. And we get 34. And in order to graph, our k has to come first. So we got k, flip this sign, 34. So we know k is greater than 34, so it's a closed circle going to the right. Okay, so what I want you to do is do the next 3 on your own. See what you can do. So do B. This is B. This is D. And this is F. So do this whole side on your own. Okay? So pause the video and get going there. Hopefully you paused the video and you were working through. I'm just gonna go quickly. combine like terms. 22 minus 14 is 8, but I'm going to put my 4y first. And then it's a positive 8 is greater than or less than or equal to 0. Now we subtract 8 on both sides. We get 4y is less than or equal to negative 8. Divide by 4. Y is less than or equal to negative 2. Close circle, going to the left. Okay, next one, you have to distribute. Negative 2m minus 22 is less than 6. Add 22. We get 28 is greater than negative 2. Divide by negative 2. So we get m, flip our inequality sign, negative 14. But in order to graph, it's got to go the other way. So m comes first, negative 14 second. We flip the sign, and it's open, going to the right. All right. Last one. Distribute negative 10d minus 5 is less than 25. Add 5. Negative 10d is less than 30. Divide by negative 10. D. Flip your inequality sign and then a 3. So then, negative 3, sorry. Open circle here, go in that direction. All right, and homework is pretty straightforward, so just work on that.